Okay, so uh, now moving on to installing a LAMP server, which basically is Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, or Perl or Python, whichever way you like. So PHP is basically the core of any website handled by system admins. Installing LAMP server is the easiest way. It's also very quick to install. So let's get going right away. Uh, so first thing we do is we install task cell. Uh, yes. So task cell can install multiple related packages as a coordinated task. So it's gonna save us time. That's why we're using this. So sudo task cell install lamp server. Uh, this may take around half a minute probably. So sit back and relax while this lamp server is installed. Alrighty, lamp stack is installed. Now let's do that extra bit of app stuff. We need to get our WordPress going. Um, you can find these commands in description. I'll add in description all these commands. So just copy paste it from there. This is kind of a big command, so I'll just copy paste it. All right, so uh, here you go. So what we're doing here is we're basically this will basically install all the dependencies, and once it's done, we'll get right down to configure our WordPress. Right now, all the prerequisites are min met. Like it's the installation has finished, so all the prerequisites are min met. It's time to jump into configuration.